Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's not going to be my typical video, and I really don't even know if I'm going to post this video, but I figured I would give you guys an update on a few things, mostly my life, but also the Aston Martin DB7 behind me, and try to give you an idea of what's going to happen next. If you looked at my thumbnail, it probably sounds like I'm going away, and that is kind of true. So stay tuned. Hopefully you'll like this one. Most likely you won't. I don't know who would like this one, to be honest with you. So let's start with something good, the DB7. It does start, it's not running right yet. It still needs a new radiator. It's got the leak. I have not washed it or cleaned it. I did the interior of it, but at this moment, I am going to have to put this one on hold as things in life have changed for me and I need to reassess my priorities and what I am working on currently. Now, that leads me into what I am basically going to do, and this is probably going to be the last video for a little while. I don't know if or when, how I will be back or doing this. I still have a passion for cars. This is what I do. This is what I love. But as times change, different things happen, and I have to reassess and try to figure out how I'm going to make everything work. And that has become a challenge lately. This is a lot more than I ever thought that it would be. It's hard. And I know that a lot of times people don't realize that it can be hard for anyone. It doesn't matter who you are, or where you are, or what you're going through, your financial status, if you're rich, poor, you get my point. There is nothing easy in life, and I have tried my best to do everything I could to make it the best that I could, and sometimes we don't succeed. And I think that that's probably my biggest lesson that I've learned is I can't win at everything. And hopefully at the end of the day, everything will be better and I will be better off and the cars will be better off. But for right now, I'm not working on getting these cars fixed up or putting out content about working on the cars in the immediate future. And I still should be able to do some things that I can put up on YouTube that are car related or house related, but it won't be fixing up the cars that I currently have. It will be more going to shows. We've got the Hilton Head Concours d'Elegance that's coming up. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be videoing that. I might just go just to get out of my own head and just do something that I've enjoyed and I love that I haven't got to do in the past. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen and how this works. Now, with all this being said, my channel will still be here. I still want you to like, subscribe, share my videos. It will definitely be a morale boost to me to see you guys still interacting. I will still answer questions on older videos. I'll answer questions on this video. I will still be in the background doing things. It's just I won't have as much public-facing presence for right now. And hopefully you guys can support that. How awesome would it be if through the community, my channel actually starts doing better? It has been stagnant for a while, and it's probably my fault. I don't put out the content that I need to, and that's because of everything that I've been going through, and hopefully in the future that will change. But for right now, this is probably going to be the last video that I post for a little while, and it is kind of sad. I mean, I have enjoyed doing this channel and making content and doing different things throughout the years. It's been a long run. I didn't realize that my channel actually started in 2011. Now, I started doing videos in like 2015, 16, but it's been out there for a while and it has done tremendously well for me. I realize that this isn't a big channel and probably the people that watch this are only like a handful, and that's okay. I still have enjoyed what I've done. I think it has been a huge success. Just to have a couple videos that are over 1 million views has really made me very proud of it. And I've enjoyed going back and watching my own videos so that I remember how to do things. If you guys remember from my start video, one of the reasons I did this was to document what I had done so that when I get older, I can watch it and go, who the hell is this son of a gun? You know, and just kind of relive some of that youth. And it has done that very well. And it will continue to do that because I will not take it down. It's going to stay up. So it will be fun to always go back and reminisce about the good times and the things that I've done, the purchasing of cars, the selling of cars, cars that got sold and then brought back. It really has been a fun journey to go through. And even now, I like to go back through. I will tell you, my videos are cringeworthy. I watch them and even I get embarrassed for myself. But it is what it is, and I've accepted what it is. And therefore, I'm okay with it. You know, I mean, I think you have to be at a certain point okay with what you do and being able to put it out there. I realize that when I post these to the internet that most of the comments are going to be negative. I get that, and I don't mind it. I actually have fun with the negative comments. But this one is a lot harder to make of a video than all of the rest because I have to say to you guys, I will not be back for a little while. And that's hard on me. It's hard on me. It is. So, with that being said, one of the companies that has always had this channel's back is Super Clean. And they continue to love this channel, to support this channel, and I continue to love them. I use their products for everything. In fact, their products are in my cabinet. They're prominently displayed, and I tell everyone about it. I give out free products. They give out free products. And in fact, today for this last video, if you comment and let me know that you're interested in Super Clean, if you're within the continental US, I will have them ship you some stuff as a going away gift. Anyway, guys, this has been the hardest video I've had to make ever probably, or at least in a long, long time. I am not going away, but I will not be here for a while. Like I said, like, subscribe, share. Let's get the channel at least to 20,000 subscribers before I go away. That would at least make me feel like I did something. Anyway, I appreciate everything. I truly do, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Thank you.